My story is one that starts where I was in the gym training 10 hours a day, and I loved my job, but you just can't stick with that too long for so many reasons. I had also began CrossFit. I wanted to try something new. Went too hard at it, too fast, and I had a pretty severe back injury, and I had gone to chiropractors and massage therapists, and nothing was working, and the chronic pain just wore on me. And so that launched me into looking into more nutrition for healing. And then about that time, I got a call from my friends who had gotten their hands on this technology. And they said, "You've been practicing a ketogenic diet. How has that been for you?" And I'm like, it's pretty extreme, but it's the first thing that I have found that's been healing this pain, and that has been enabling me to get back to normal. I was desperate to find something that got me out of pain and put me back to feeling like a 30-year-old who could function normal. Within weeks, my pain was gone. We're seeing a lot of really amazing stories come out from the fitness world with people doing what they've always done and now adding this in, and the journey's just not as hard as it used to be. It's my dream job to help people. And now I've found a way to stay at home from my computer and do it and be with my daughter and help provide for our family.